So let me give some time at the ending to ask the questions over here. Okay. So I just want to give a small introduction about myself as well quickly. My name is Ram Boyapati. I have nearly 13 years of IT experience. And in this 13 years of experience, I've been working for SQL Server, MSBA Stack, Power BI, Azure Data Engineering, and Microsoft Fabric. And overall, 7 plus years of IT trainings and a placement assistance program also we have. 7 plus years of IT trainings and placement assistance program. I started my institution e-classes in 2016 over here. Here you can see our website, what are all the courses we are offering over here. And we are located in Hyderabad, Amirpet, and we have a LMS portal as well. So this is the single place where the students can able to get many features like a live classes, daily class recording, daily class notes, free test, free courses, and you can able to chat with me personally, and also you can able to group chat also. We have everything in our LMS portal only. To log into this LMS portal, simply you can goes to our website eclasses.com and then click on this LMS login. So once you are click on LMS login, it will ask the organization code. You can provide this SUFKN, and if you are from India, then register with your mobile number. If you are out of India, just provide the email address over here. Okay, so this is how we can able to do the things over here. And the main advantage of this e-classes is I'm the managing director of this e-classes. At the same time, I'm the trainer for this one. If you are going to any other institution, let's take it one XYZ institute. In 1 hour of the session, in 1 hour of the session, every day when they're taking a class, after the session completion, you don't have interaction with the trainer to ask any questions when you are practicing. Because in that institutions, the management and the trainer are two different people, right? But here in this e classes, I'm the trainer, I'm the managing director, so I'm always available for the students to discuss with me any kind of questions over here. Okay, so here you can see this LMS portal. You can able to log in from web, and also you can able to download the mobile app as well. If you want to download a mobile app for Android mobile, you can use this e classes. For iOS, you can use my institute app over here. Okay, my institute app over here. Right, now coming to this people who are going to learn this Microsoft Fabric course, mostly their qualification is a graduation or post graduation completion people. And when you are coming to this data side, there are majorly three different kind of data related courses available. One is about data engineering, second one is data analysis, data science. So far, the people who are all going to learn data engineering course, they are preferring Azure data engineering course. If anybody wants to learn data analysis course, they are learning Power BI. If anybody wants to learn data science course, they are using Azure Machine Learning Studio. So most of the people in this training batch who have joined here, I hope some people are already working in IT job. They were joined long back. For example, you are a passed out of 2015. You are a passed out of 2015, and you are joining immediately as a IT job fresher. So totally you are gained so far 9 years of experience in Java or whatever it is. But now you want to learn this Fabric course, then you want to join like a 2 to 5 years of experience job over here. Obviously, you are already having some experience in other technologies. So now you want to learn this Microsoft Fabric course, and you are going to apply for 2 to 5 years of experience. This is one kind of people. Another kind of people who are having non-IT background. Non-IT background means they were working like a recruiter, HR, civil, mechanical, or Google Maps, accountant, whatever it is. These kind of people also wants to learn this Microsoft Fabric, and they are going to applying like a 2 to 5 years of experience. And another use case, they were passed out nearly 2015 or whatever it is, but they don't have any experience. They were not doing any job so far. They were just preparing for government exams, groups, banks, and they have some career gap because they were doing some business. So overall, they have some 9 years or 10 years or 5 years or 2 years career gap they have. Now they want to learn the Microsoft Fabric. They are going to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience. Other kind of people just passed out recently 2023-24, and they were like a trained fresher jobs on the Fabric. They were just like a trained fresher jobs on Fabric. So they were just completing the Microsoft Fabric course and they were looking for the jobs. So these are all the different kind of background people are trying to learn this Microsoft Fabric. So first we need to understand what is a Microsoft Fabric. Microsoft Fabric is a software as a service. What do you mean by software as a service? So Microsoft is a company offering some softwares in the cloud web browser. That means whatever the softwares you need, instead of downloading installing in your local servers, all or everything already installed, set up, everything is completed. You just access those softwares to implement your projects. How? Through a web browser. So you can access to implement the projects related to data engineering, data analysis, and data science. That means Microsoft Fabric having a software services to do the data engineering, to do the data analysis, to do the data science. I hope now you understand. So far in IT, there is no such platform to implement complete data engineering part, data analysis part, data science part in single place. First time Microsoft has introduced this Fabric environment, software as a services with zero maintenance, with less cost, more capabilities. Any business intelligence solution for your customer, you can simply provide by using a Microsoft Fabric over here. So data engineering. So what is data engineering? So data engineering means it's all about processing of the business data. We are going to processing of the business data by using ETL services and storing into cloud. Data engineer, what he will do? A data engineer is simply processing of the business data whichever you are getting, and then you are going to store in a cloud environment. So the data engineer role is he is going to processing of the business data by using some ETL services and storing into a cloud. So to do this ETL process, to storing of the data, you need some services, right? Those services Microsoft Fabric is offering. Earlier days we were using Azure Data Engineering, but now in place of this Azure Data Engineering, you can use Microsoft Fabric. So Microsoft has moved whatever the capabilities you have in Azure Data Engineering, everything into Microsoft Fabric. That is called data engineering. Now coming to the data analysis. What exactly data analysis? Data analysis is all about whatever the data you are getting, then after you are going to designing of the reports and dashboards. You are going to get reports and dashboards. So to design the reports and dashboards. So data analysis means data processed, whichever the data processed and stored by data engineers, a data processed and saved by data engineer. By taking that data, you can design the reports and dashboards over here. So earlier days we are using Power BI as a tool to design the reports and dashboards. Now Microsoft Fabric environment having all your Power BI capabilities, you can use Microsoft Fabric to implement data analysis. Next, data science. Data science means a person whoever is going to run some machine learning models on your business data to do a deep analysis on the machine learning models, and you can perform advanced data preparation modeling. So these things we are earlier days we are using Microsoft Machine Learning Studio. So to perform this data engineering, data engineering, data analysis, data science. Earlier days, what we are using? Azure Data Engineering. data analysis, Power BI. This one, machine learning studio. Now with the combination of all these three, Microsoft combined above three into single platform, that is Microsoft Fabric. So Microsoft Fabric contains all the capabilities what you have in Azure Data Engineering. It is included here. Power BI, it is included here, and Machine Learning Studio included. So once you are learning Microsoft Fabric course, you can apply for the jobs like a data engineer, data analysis analyst, and a data scientist, Power BI developer, Azure Data Engineer. Many things you can able to apply. So nowadays clients are going to implement their projects instead of using a separate environment for the Azure Data Engineer, separate environment for the Power BI, separate environment for the data science. They are simply using the Microsoft Fabric. So how to log into the Microsoft Fabric to implement my project? Simply you can go to app.powerbi.com. This is the Microsoft Fabric environment where you can able to log in inside. Okay, simply log into this app.powerbi.com with the email address. There you can able to see what are all the capabilities available inside the Microsoft Fabric. Here you can see Microsoft Fabric. Simply click on the Microsoft Fabric. You can develop Power BI reports, data factory, we have data activators, and we have a real-time data intelligence, data engineering, data science, warehousing. So there are so many things we can able to implement by using this Azure, sorry, Microsoft Fabric environment. Okay, now we understand Microsoft Fabric having three type of capabilities: data engineering capability, data analysis, data science. If you are learning Microsoft Fabric, inside this Microsoft Fabric, 100% whatever the Power BI course we have, everything will be covered inside. 100%. For example, if you are going to an institute to learn only Power BI, yes, the same thing we are going to cover as it is inside the Microsoft Fabric. Okay, if I'm learning Microsoft Fabric, can I apply for a job like a Power BI developer? Yes. But because of there is a heavy competition in the market, if you're just learning only Power BI, there are less chances to get the job. So you need to learn complete Fabric. So inside the Microsoft Fabric, Power BI is one of the component. Okay, so Power BI 100% we are going to cover everything, whatever individual Power BI course content. And 90% of the Azure Data Engineering course also we are going to cover inside the Microsoft Fabric. And this data science capabilities as well. Okay, now you get a question, sir, do I need to learn Azure Data Engineering or Microsoft Fabric? That's up to you. If you want to focus only on the Azure Data Engineering, yes, you can. But if you want to explore data analysis, data science, data engineering, yes. Okay, if I'm learning Microsoft Fabric, after that, can I apply jobs for Azure Data Engineering? Yes. What we are doing, we are just going to conduct a 1 week, 1 week workshop on Azure Data Engineering, because inside the Fabric we are covering 90 percentage. The remaining 10 percentage, the remaining 10 percentage inside this Microsoft Fabric, remaining 10 percentage I'm taking one workshop. Then if you're learning Microsoft Fabric, the advantage is you can apply Power BI developer, you can apply Azure Data Engineering also. You don't need to learn again separate Azure Data Engineering course over here. So this Microsoft Fabric has introduced in the market from last 2 years. You might get a question, sir, if it is 2 years back only, then how can I apply for the jobs? How much experience I can put? Yes, it is in the 2 years, but Power BI is in the market from last 10 years. Azure Data Engineering in the market last 10 years. So you will put, like for example, you have a 5 years of experience. You will tell from last 3 years. The first 3 to 4 years I work for the Power BI or Azure Data Engineer. From last 2 years, I'm using same things in the Microsoft Fabric. This is how you can able to narrate your profile. So this course is going to be 60 hours duration, Monday to Friday, daily 1 hour session. I'm going to make you the interview question answers and end-to-end project and resume preparation also. We are going to help as a part of this course. If you guys have any doubts about this course, when it is going to start, what is the timing, everything you can able to say 799745722. You just reach out. So if you want to implement this data engineering, data analysis, data science part, simply you need to log into this www.app.powerbi.com. Okay. So basically, where exactly we are going to use this Microsoft Fabric to provide a business intelligence solution to the customers. What do you mean by business intelligence? Business intelligence means from your business data, you need to design some insights. According to that insights, reports, dashboards, a business customer can take the decision about the business improvement process. Inside this Microsoft Fabric, we are going to divide into majorly data storage related services, data ingestion ETL services, data science, machine learning, data modeling, reports and dashboards. We are going to cover all these topics. So for data storage purpose, what are all the services available? For storing of the data purpose, we have a lake house, data warehouse, KQL database. For data ingestion process, we have a data factory, data flows, Spark notebooks, real-time streaming jobs, data science, machine learning. Then after, for data modeling purpose, we have a semantic models, and for reporting purpose, we can use the Power BI reports over here. Power BI reports over here. And for learning of this course, parallelly, I will recommend to learn some basic SQL and basic Python as well. Okay. And main beautiful thing inside this Microsoft Fabric is you are not going to write down even single line of the command. Everything inside they are integrating Copilot. It's something like a Chat GPT. Automatically, it will write down the any code or commands. Hardly 10% of the coding is required. It's not a coding; it's a commands. That also will be written by your Copilot only. Okay. So this course first we are going to conduct three free sessions. I'm requesting all of you join these three sessions from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then you can continue whether you want to continue or not. And also inside this course, whatever the course content in detail course and course content we are going to offer, then you can able to simply reach out our team. They will help you to provide the course content as well. Our regular sessions we are going to start from the Monday onwards. So Microsoft Fabric is a combination of data engineering, data analysis, data science. If you are learning this course, three positions you can able to apply. Sir, do we have a jobs on this Microsoft Fabric? Yes. Just go to the Google. It's going to be industry revolution. Many clients are moving from existing Azure data engineering or Power BI projects into this Microsoft Fabric only. There is no resource in the market currently because no one has learned, because there is no trainer for this Microsoft Fabric also so far. That is the reason it's very heavy demand going forward. Okay. Now, if you guys have any questions on this course, what is the certification exam we are going to complete after this course? DP 600. So DP 600 certification we are going to perform on this one. Okay, so this is all about this Microsoft Fabric. If you guys have any questions, now we can able to raise your hands and you can ask the questions. Any questions from anyone? Saleha, Venkat, Krishna, Anusha.
Uh, Sorry, I missed your name. May I know your name? Excuse me, sir. I'm audible.
Yeah, now we can go ahead to ask the questions, Venkat.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes, go ahead now.
Yeah, just wanted to know your name. I missed your name.
My name is Ram.
Ram, right? Okay, fine. Yeah, Ram. So, do we have any lab practice sessions included here while this course?
Yes, we are going to provide the lab to practicing purpose.
Okay. I mean, usually we will be taking this pre-tail account, right? Microsoft account.
That
How
we
it
will
will be
get, that
here?
we will provide you. That we will provide you.
Okay. Yeah, thanks, Ram.
Yeah. Any more questions, Saleha, Krishna? Okay. So please reach out our executive for a further clarifications, anything required.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.